Hello and welcome to our video on 20 iPhone tricks that you may not know about. Whether you're a seasoned iPhone user or a new owner, these tips and tricks will help you get the most out of your device. From hidden features to time-saving shortcuts, we've got you covered. Tip 1. Did you know that you can use your iPhone as a level? Simply open the Compass app and swipe left to access the level feature. Tip 2. To quickly access the camera, swipe left on the lock screen. You can also take a photo by pressing the volume up button. Tip 3. Want to save battery life? Turn on low power mode by going to Settings, Battery. This will reduce power consumption and extend your battery life. Tip 4. You can customize your control center by going to Settings, Control Center, Customize Controls. This allows you to add or remove features that you use frequently. Tip 5. To easily take a screenshot, press the home button and the power button simultaneously. Tip 6. Did you know that you can use your iPhone as a magnifying glass? Simply go to Settings, General Accessibility Magnifier to turn on this feature. Tip 7. To quickly access your favorite contacts, add them to your favorites list in the phone app. Tip 8. Want to quickly reply to a message? Swipe left on the notification and select Reply to respond without having to open the app. Tip 9. To search for a specific word or phrase on a web page, type it into the search bar at the top of the screen and scroll down to on this page. Tip 10. To quickly switch between apps, swipe left or right on the home bar at the bottom of the screen. Tip 11. You can use Siri to send a message or make a phone call by simply saying "Hey Siri" followed by your command. Tip 12. To save time typing, use the built-in text replacement feature by going to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement. Tip 13. To quickly access your most recently used apps, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold your finger down for a moment. Tip 14. Want to use your iPhone as a remote control? Download the Apple TV Remote app from the App Store. Tip 15. To use your iPhone as a flashlight, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and tap on the flashlight icon. Tip 16. You can use your iPhone to track your steps and activity by going to the Health app and selecting Activity. Tip 17. To quickly access your frequently used emojis, add them to your favorites list in the emoji keyboard. Tip 18. To use your iPhone as a personal hotspot, go to Settings, Personal Hotspot and turn on the feature. Tip 19. Want to quickly find a file or document? Use the built-in search feature by swiping down on the home screen. Tip 20. To quickly access your camera roll, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and tap on the Photos icon. That's it for our video on 20 iPhone tricks that you may not know about. We hope that these tips and tricks have helped you get the most out of your device. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.